Hi, my name is Sam, and I'm from Eaton Vehicle Group. Today's tips and tricks video for the Ultrashift Plus will discuss driver triggered snapshots. A driver triggered snapshot is a very powerful tool that can be used by Eaton engineers to diagnose transmission faults. It records 11 seconds worth of data, 9 seconds prior to the fault and 2 seconds post the fault. When instructed by an Eaton rep or your authorized dealer to conduct a driver triggered snapshot, this is the procedure on how to do it. As soon as you experience the fault, immediately put the transmission into low mode and upshift twice within 1 second. To confirm the snapshot has been completed, an ST should appear on the gear display. You will then be required to take your truck to your authorized dealer so they may download the snapshot and send it to an Eaton representative. The driver triggered snapshot procedure is now complete.